Hi, this is Amy and my business is Mama Bear Blue. This video is part of a video collaboration with other talented creative people. Be sure to check out the playlist link in the description box below. So in this video, I'm going to be using the new Holiday Sampler Pack by DIY Paint, and our challenge is to see just how far these 8 beautiful colors will go. It's that time of year when we start changing our booths over to Christmas items, so I'm going to take you along with me for a little tour of Farm Girl Mercantile, where one of my booths is located in Franklin, Indiana. So in this holiday sampler pack, you'll get 8 2-ounce jars of paint in the colors Eden, Golden Ticket, Petticoat Pink, Walk on Water, White Swan, Carnival Red, Little Black Dress, and Farm Fresh. You also get 2 brochures with QR codes so you can scan them for recipes and ideas for making projects. So for this challenge, I needed to find some thrifted items to flip using the sampler kit. I recently went on a trip to Ohio for an art retreat at Kelly Weiler's studio, Girl Upcycled Studio, which was a lot of fun. So my friends Judy and Marie and I went junking and antiquing before the start of that retreat. I'm going to show you a little bit of the places we went and the things I found that I will be using in this video with the DIY paint. Awesome legs. I can't wait to see what you make. It's awesome. So like unfinished basket lids or something. Salvage legs or something.
Oh, cool. I have one of those. Do you? I was going to make a table. I haven't gotten that yet. I'm like Zeb. I think I could get that dent out of there.
Are you being Zeb?
Zeb! Can I get this dent out of here?
Where are we headed, girls? You going toward Cambridge?
We go.
My wife does, because my wife has Casabella coming.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so we have a retreat. We have a retreat there.
You're going down.
I wanted to make one last stop at the Goodwill to see if there was any other good finds that I could make over. Whoa. This looks like it's probably a Hobby Lobby find. I could have spent a lot more time in that Goodwill. They had a lot of neat things, but I am in a hurry because I'm on my way to teach a class at my booth at Southport Antique Mall. We're going to be making some Christmas ornaments with the new IOD transfers. So I'm hoping that maybe I can get a chance to pop back into this Goodwill on my way home and see if I can. So between the junking in Ohio, the Restore, and a Goodwill, I was able to gather quite a few things and get started with painting. On this sign, I decided to use the Made by Marley decoupage paper set called Yuletide, and the Farm Fresh color matched the colors in the paper perfectly, so I decided to paint the frame in Farm Fresh. All the products I'm using you can find at mamabearblue.com. This was one of the little drawers I found when we were antiquing in Ohio. It needed a coat of shellac on all sides, so I used the Zinsser spray shellac. This one is getting painted in the color Eden, and I will also be using a JRV stencil called Holiday Greens on this little box. I love the JRV rice paper, and this was the Santa print image, so it is getting decoupaged onto this little metal frame, and I painted the frame in carnival red and then did a coat of white swan to go behind the rice paper, and then applied the DIY liquid patina as the decoupage medium. I decided on this one to use the IOD gilded transfer called Sea Belle. It has some great borders, and this just turned out so cute. I went over the carnival red with the golden ticket. Whenever you're using golden ticket, if you first use a shade of red behind it, it really makes the gold pop. These were the turned wood pieces that Judy helped me find at the Restore in Ohio. So I used our bandsaw and cut them down just a bit. These are going to make great little tree stands after I paint them with DIY paint and add a bottle brush tree. So everything I painted got at least 2 coats of the DIY paint, and then I used the DIY clear wax to wax all of the projects. I then made a trip to Hobby Lobby and found so many cute bottle brush trees, and all of their decor is currently half off. I used a drill to drill holes into the wood, and then I took some wire cutters and clipped off the bases of the bottle brush trees, added some craft glue to the bottom, and put them down into their new tree holders. I now carry Tim Holtz products, so be sure to check those out on my website. I use the Tim Holtz Christmas ephemera pack to find some cute signs to tie on to these tree bases. DIY paint is so heavily pigmented, it goes a very long way. So after all those projects, I have all this paint left. I think I used about half, so there is plenty left for more projects and gifts. These will be going into my booths at Farm Girl Mercantile and Southport Antique Mall, and some of them may even be staying home with me. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and be sure to check out that playlist in the description box for all the other videos in this video collaboration. Thanks for watching.